Hi there. So today I want to talk to you about something super important in the world of permanent makeup, and it's called the 80-20 rule. And you're probably thinking, what on earth is the 80-20 rule? And that's all about, and I'm going to break it down for you really easy. It's all about this nifty little concept that many people are just not aware of. And here's the deal. In your permanent makeup business, you have exactly two sides to the coin. There's the 80% and there's the 20%.
Profound balance, yeah. It works completely 100% around my daughter.
Oh, that's
which is what I need. It's been invaluable, it really has. And the mentoring you offer as well, and the masterclass videos. Invaluable. So they've really helped me with my skill set. If there's something that I'm not quite sure of or that I just need brushing up on, I'll watch a video and 9 times out of 10 that'll answer my question. If not, I know I can just go on the phone to Katie and she'll help me as well. Or you. Little changes, but now you've mentioned them, I'm going to go away and do them. They're not obvious to me, but when you say them out loud, you think, oh right, okay, so like that moment, I'll go away and do that. And it's because you helped me with my website and now that's page 1 on Google, so it helped. Oh no, I'm absolutely loving it, so it's paid off and I'm enjoying it.
Guess what? If you do not give proper care and proper attention to the 80% that nobody is aware of, you might find yourself doing something a bit more like a hobby than a business. But fear not, because I have your back. And I've been in the game of permanent makeup, of surprising and delighting clients day in, day out for the last 15 years, running my own dream permanent makeup business. But also I've been teaching others how to do it day in, day out as well. So trust me when I say I have got a schedule for you that is as realistic to you as your morning coffee routine. So here's the scoop. I have laid out the most perfect plan. Everything is expertly crafted, all the social media content all done for you. All you have to do is choose your own hours and follow the schedule. So this is years and years of experience. All you need to do is decide whether you want to dive in full time or whether you want to take things a little bit more leisurely and work part-time hours to fit around the kids and to fit around life. And then it's as simple as this, just stick to the plan. Easy, right? So, all I also know is that life just throws curveballs constantly, and that's okay too. That is why I've made this schedule completely editable, and it's going to save you so much time. You'll be doing things like daily practice mastery, honing the skill so that you can be utterly perfect for when the clients pile in, right through to the step-by-step videos. You'll have technical cheat sheets and you'll have immersive learning. And the beauty is you can do this anytime, anywhere. So the kids are in bed or you're on a lunch break from work, and you'll be able to dive in and figure out brand psychology, how to word things so that clients really love to read, right through to becoming a client magnet. So everything is done for you, from price lists to proven referrals templates for you to get more and more clients as you build up this dream business. And then you can dip back into training at any time, because anything that we learn during the training process, you can tap back in, you can learn all the techniques, access to all of the videos. And that's what the 80% is all about. You'll have answers to every single question. You'll see here that I am talking you through the most frequently asked questions by clients, so you can have these on in the background as you're perfecting your technique. So it's all there for you to adapt to yourself as you're building your client base. It's like a roadmap to your dream permanent makeup business. So what's the bottom line, you're probably asking? This tool I have created is all about giving you a sense of direction, because you can feel a little adrift in the world as you're building this business. There's only you to hold yourself accountable. So it's about sense of direction and accountability, and this truly is the 80%. It's the secret sauce to making sure that you are doing everything that it takes to build this dream business of yours. Remember, it's about the 80%. Work on the business and not just in it, and you'll be on your way to success in the wonderful world of permanent makeup. Now go out there and make all of those dreams of yours a complete reality. You have got this.
Sitting talking about it, my head's buzzing because I'm just so full of what I want to do. So much information that you, Paul, have given me personally that I hadn't even thought about. And shit, I'm so blown away by it all. Just if anybody thinking about it, just don't think, just do it, because you've got to. You will turn your business around.
It's been amazing.
Really?
Absolutely amazing. There's loads of stuff I've learned today. I don't even know where to start. My brain is frazzled. I am going to have to do some time management and actually prioritise what I need to do first.
Wow.
Because there is so much, and it's going to take a bit of time, but it's going to be worth it. I can see it's going to be so worth it. I wanted to find out about how you get the free publicity, what you can do to, because obviously the more people know about you doing things, the more your profile is going to be uplifted, the more chance you're going to get more business.
Yeah.
And just what you told us today has just been mind-blowing. It's so good, you know, and it's easy. Anybody can do it. You've just got to know how to do it.
Exactly. That's why you're here.
Yeah, absolutely. So yeah, really loads.
Bloody amazing.
All right, okay, try.
The funny part was I've learned a lot of things that I never thought of myself, and it was amazing to see how some techniques can work extremely good, and especially for my business. The funny part was I never thought of it in that kind of way. I only thought in a way of using online marketing, and this is more offline marketing, and I never thought of those ways and how easy it could be to use it in that sort of way. I always thought that cost too much money. There's
you had to pay for it, I suppose.
Yeah, I had to pay for it, and I couldn't imagine that it would lead to something, that it would lead to getting more money.
Yeah.
Well, I would recommend it to anyone because it's amazing.
Firstly, incredibly well laid out. It's very logical, and Paul and Katie are taking you through each step you need to do in order to, I think, maximise on the entire course. So it's very logical. But everything is so spot on. The benefits that they talk about, the course, the notes they provide, and the actual content is just so incredibly valuable that I think if you go away and do 10% of the stuff that they advise you to do, you will easily first get your money back, and you potentially could make so much money out of this. And I think if you did all of it, well, it's a lot to do though. There's so much you do have to have come along with the right attitude.
Yeah.
You have to be prepared to go away and actually put everything into practice yourself.
There's a lot.
Yeah.
But the thing is, you know, even if I just do a tiny percent of what I've learned, even just today, I'll be flying high. Yeah, gold. Don't tell anyone else.
Yeah.
So just keep it here. Don't tell anyone else.
Excellent.
Price only.
And you think you'll be able to use that technique yourself?
Definitely, yeah. Once I get there,
Yeah.
I'm not going to tell anyone. It's my secret now.
Brilliant. Cool. Apart from the others on the course that also know about it.
Yeah, unfortunately. But
They're not in your area, so
no,
that's all right.
it's fine.
I think if you are a permanent makeup technician, you've got it made. As I say, you will save you so much time, so much money if you run with this. It'll take you a lot of time to set it up, but a lot less than if you didn't have it.
Don't wait another moment to transform your life and business. Take the leap now. Grow your dream business, gain more free time and profit like never before. You'll get instant access to the 80/20 blueprint now and start on your journey to growing your dream business. The success story begins with this simple step. Just act now.